in order to record the screen on a Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to the control center. So swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the bottom like this. And then you might need to edit the control center in order to add the screen recorder. So over here at the bottom, if you swipe down in the control center, you should be able to find the edit button. We can tap on it, and then in system toggles, find screen recorder. So once you find it, we can tap it in order to add it to the list, and then we can press this check in the top right corner, and then we can tap on the screen recorder in order to show it. Of course, we can drag the screen recorder menu around. We can leave it pretty much anywhere we wish to. And if you want to start recording, just press the red button, and there we go. We are now recording. We can do whatever we want. Once you are done with the recording, we can tap on the button here, the square. And that's pretty much it. If you tap on the folder, then you will open the folder with all your recorded videos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.